coming to you in the best of spirits, but I'm hurting. So this is going to be a very quick video. Oh, I am really sick. So sick that your girl made a doctor's appointment because I don't know what's going on. But anyway, guess what came today? So this is an unboxing video, and guess what who I ordered from? Okay, I know I'm coming across like a hypocrite. I did not want to order from Hirt, you know, after seeing Carly G's video, and I was just like, you know, and then I watched a few others. What turned me around was a few YouTubers came on here, and they had some great success with it, and there was a sale. So a sale, success. Anyway, I ordered from Hirt. We're gonna see. Will I order from them again? I don't know. I'm shocked that I ordered this time because I did use the word never. And shout out to my sister and my husband, because I'm a baby when I'm sick. I'm a complete baby. And Ginger knows I'm sick because here she is. She's staying right by her mama's side, right on the bed. I haven't left my bed except to go to the bathroom since I've been home. Okay, so one thing I always complain, it looks like packaging. Okay. Look at that. I know what this is supposed to be, but y'all see this? This plant is halfway dead. It's halfway dead. I'm getting it dead. How much did I pay for this? I don't know, but this is supposed to be citronella. I can't smell it. A citronella plant. I wanted it for the summer. I mean, for spring, but there's the first one, so I guess I'll be contacting them. Here's this one, which I don't know what this one is supposed to be. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, here's the tag. Okay, this is the white silver. If you see me looking over here, I'm looking over at my order form, making sure they sent me the right thing because I don't trust them. Like white silver. I'm not seeing white. Okay, this is a white silver peace lily. Okay. I'm just gonna take it off. I have no idea where I'm gonna set this in. I just threw down that citronella. I'm like, it's dead. I'll be contacting them, say give me my money back. I can't remember how much I paid for it. One dead leaf, but this one looks fine. Looks fine. Has bent new growth coming out of it, but that's understandable. So I'll make room. Okay. Next, what we got? Okay, this is a Santaveria, which, okay, this is a bird nest Santaveria. So I ordered this bird nest from them. Oh God, this is in bad shape. Before I found the one at Lowe's, which I did a video about a couple of videos back. This is in really bad shape. Oh my goodness, the leaves. Normally Santaveria leaves feel really firm. This, oh wow. I don't know. This just, I mean, the leaves look good, but when you're touching them, and there's some damage. This one's broken. This one's broken. Okay, that's what's going on with this one. It's broken. Okay. So 3 broken leaves, and that probably happened in transport, which they need to learn how to pack. I'm sorry. You could have put this order in 2 separate boxes. Shoot. Could have told me, could have asked me. Yeah, okay, but I'm sick, so I am not going to complain about this company because I did not have to order from them. I made that decision. I did it. Oh, this is the plant I really wanted. This is a Calathea medallion. Flat as a board right now. Yeah, it has some new growth coming out. So it's so pretty. This is why I wanted it. And I really want this to grow huge. And I think I paid $6 for it, and it's a really good price. And this one, I'm not seeing any damage. It's just flat. Okay, next. Okay. This should be a Dracaena. I ordered this. What is the name of this? This is the Twister Dragon Tree Dracaena, and it's really pretty. And y'all, it's really big. It's really pretty and it's really big. I don't see any damage. I need better lighting in here. I'm in my bedroom and the lighting, so I don't know if you guys can really see, but yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm happy with this one. No complaints. No complaints. A little rough in the packaging. Oh. Okay, this is a pepperonia. And it's packed nicely. This is the Teresa Silver Ripple Pepperonia. Yeah, Pepperonia. I'm not saying it right, but forgive me. Okay. Damaged leaf, probably from the humidity being wrapped in the bag. The leaves, I need to expect some problems with it, but honestly, I'm just gonna tell you guys the truth. I expected this to come with several broken leaves, and it's not. The leaves aren't broken. It looks really, really good. Okay, so I'm just being honest and do. So far, so good. I'm gonna have to move the medicine. I'm gonna have to move the medicine out the way. Okay. Last one. I'm missing a plant. I am missing a plant. I ordered a tiny dancer. Y'all, I ordered a tiny dancer. It is not in here. So, I am short a plant. Maybe it's in a different box, but they should have emailed me that. And my Centronella is dead. Oh, but in my hand, which looks really in good shape, of some bent leaves, but this is a curly, what is it, a Bonnie curly spider plant. Bonnie curly spider plant. So yeah, yay, so pretty, and it looks so healthy. So I'm really happy with this one. So just to show y'all, let me show you the box. Look, there ain't nothing else in it. And there's nothing else in it. No invoice. Oh, come here. No invoice. No nothing. I just set y'all in the box, I guess. Sorry. The plants I got are really nice and they're healthy. I was even gonna say, you know what, I'm a not be upset about this citronella. There's more dead foliage on here than there is green. There's more brown. So I was like, you know, I'm not gonna be upset over it. I'm not, because I didn't have to order. I knew the risk. I feel like I'm Carly's sister, because this is like a repeat of her video, except it is after 6:30 here in the evening, and even if their customer service was open, I just don't have the strength right now to call them and complain. But y'all, I am truly missing a plant. I ordered a tiny dancer elephant ear as well, and then this one is dead. The rest of them, with the exception of the Santa Vera, because that one has like 2 or 3 broken leaves, which I'm sure that came in the shopping and shipping, they look fine. They look fine. I'm even excited about them, but you can't tell. Lord. I'm gonna call them in the morning. Will I order from them again? I ain't gonna say never. I'm gonna say I'm gonna try real hard not to. I'm gonna try damn hard not to, because you know I just don't like this. I don't like getting what I pay for, and I don't make the prices. They make the prices, so a little frustrated. I'm completely missing the plan, but I could be wrong. Maybe they sent me an email and I ain't found it yet, saying I was going to get 2 separate shippings, and you know tomorrow my plant could be here, and you know I'm fine. But this I'll go back and I'll read. Maybe there's some policy about this. I'm gonna go see how much I paid for it. I'm gonna complain about it. I am. You know, I don't care how much. I don't care if I paid 99 cents. You send me a new plant. You know what? Just refund me. I don't even want the plant anymore. I'm allergic to mosquitoes, and I wanted to grow citronella so I can sit out on my patio this summer. I have a natural repellent, but I'll find it here. I'll find it here. Okay, y'all. That's the video. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I am just so sickly looking, but I really wanted to do this unboxing. I didn't want to leave the plants in there. And, you know, I'm glad I did, because I am happy with the ones I got. And thank you guys for watching my sickly plant video. And thank you for the comments. You know, like, it was so awesome to hear from Pam Pretty Penny. Of course, Peggy Lee, Don't Stop Through, Tanya K, always got something wonderful to say. I try to answer every last one of you. Suzette, I know you're out there. I feel like I'm just developing this true friendship with you guys and in the plant world. So thank you so much. And I'm gonna upload this video. I'm gonna edit it and upload it and go to bed. So catch you next time for more. You know it. Please subscribe. Bye.